Super excited to share with you our newest listing at Somerset at the Plantation. Welcome to the Barrington 2 by Pulte in Somerset at Plantation. One of my favorite things about this floor plan is the double door entry. There are so many options with this double door. If you so desire, you could easily swap these doors out for doors with glass inserts and wait till you see your view when you walk in through the front door. And you'll notice as you're walking in the beautiful shot all the way through this open floor plan overlooking the Lanai and the beautiful custom pool built by Superior Pools. Over here right to the side we've got the den, which as you can see has a beautiful built-in desk option, tray ceiling with extra lighting, crown molding, and plantation shutters. And the Barrington 2 has an awesome open great floor plan. Look how large this entertaining space is. Super tall ceilings. Again, out here in the great room, we've got the double set of crown molding, built-in tray with additional can lights included, which is a very nice upgrade with Pulte that they offer. Large entertaining kitchen, tons of cabinet space, and look how big this island is. We've got an extra built-in storage and wine cabinet area down in the eat-in kitchen area with door access outside to the pool in the Lanai. I don't know if you just got a sneak peek, but this lot is awesome. It's very private. You're not going to find one more private than this in Plantation. And right behind the backyard, we've got the 4th green. I want to make sure you don't miss this awesome upgrade that these homeowners put in. So this is actually the panel to do the custom blinds that are within this house. So this is how easy it is. You just push down here, check it out. Those blinds are going to come down. They're going to give you the ability to give some privacy, close the house down, and still let in some light. They're not super dark, so they are awesome. Just want to give you another perspective of this kitchen. Tons of countertop space, tons of cabinet space, and awesome big walk-in pantry down here in the corner. So there's a lot of extra storage and room inside there. Again, we've talked about this a couple times, but the custom wood shelves. And check out how big this space is. This gathering room style with the super tall volume ceilings, there is just so much space in here. It's awesome. We've got a really large primary bedroom here, again with the tray ceiling with crown molding and the extra can lighting. Just like the other room, there is so much automation in this house. The shade in here actually has a blackout feature as well, and yeah, no. You don't get to see the pool yet. Just want to show you the automation for now. And in our ensuite primary bathroom, we've got the double sink with granite countertops, our water closet, and we've got a soaking tub and a very large walk-in shower. Check this out with double shower heads. We do have a his and hers walk-in closets that have been customized. And we've got the linen closet here in the primary bathroom, and all of the closets, including the pantry, have custom wood shelving. So we have split bedroom design, so the bedrooms are in this back half of the house. Another custom wood shelf linen closet outside of this second bedroom. And here we've got a good sized bedroom. Again, beautiful light coming in, plantation shutters on the window. Crown molding carried throughout most of this home. So another room with crown molding, good lighting, and a really good sized bedroom here for bedroom number 2. All right, so we're heading down to our second full bathroom and the third bedroom. Don't be fooled, this is not a real closet here. That's your air handler. But we've got our laundry room with pass-through to the garage, and this laundry room does have storage and a sink. And I promise you, you want all this storage because we don't have basements here in Southwest Florida. And here we go with bedroom number 3. Again, we've got the beautiful finishing with the crown molding, plantation shutters on the window, another good-sized bedroom, and we've got a walk-in closet on this one. So check it out. Lots of nice space here in this third bedroom walk-in closet. And down with bedroom 2 and 3, we do have the secondary bathroom with the bathtub shower combo, granite on the countertops. Welcome to the garage. So we do have a 2-car garage here. These sellers did do something very smart. They added the 4-foot extension. So I do want you to notice, yes, there is room to park and charge your golf cart and still fit a car in here. And just like everything else, the golf cart is negotiable. So if you're ready to live the lifestyle and take a ride up to the amenities in your golf cart, give us a call. You're about to see an amazing outdoor space. So let's check it out. One of the awesome things about how they designed this house is you've got 3 access points to get out to the lanai. You've got your door from the kitchen, your door from the primary bedroom, and then you've got a nesting slider from the main area. Ton of undercover space. And you know I've been showing you all this automation in this house. Outside has it too. So they have upgraded and added the Storm Smart, hurricane shutters. These are amazing. So not only do they give you a little break from your western sunset in the event that you might need it, during hurricane season, you can just bring all your items right in here, close those down with your handy remote control, and you're all set. Pretty fantastic. I really want you to take in the amount of space that they have on their lanai. They put in a very large custom pool that is just stunning. Oversized 8-foot sunken in hot tub. They've got some benches inside the pool. We've got ledge loungers here on the sun shelf. You can see all of the waterfalls that are in this gorgeous glass tile that's got some iridescence in it. So when the sun is hitting it just right, this pool is sparkling. In addition, they did a customized lighting that has multiple colors that is throughout the cage. And we can't see it because it's too sunny today to see all that light, but it's on zones and remote controls, and you can change it, and it goes all the way through. And then I definitely don't want to forget that they did the custom picture window screen here of the pool deck. And we've talked already about how awesome this lot is with the privacy. And right behind us, you can't see because there's nobody playing on that green right now, but we've got the 4th green right behind us on this super private lot. There are so many great things about this floor plan. Right here on the 4th green, you've got golfers behind you, this private lot, this custom pool. This house has so many great features. And if you are interested in learning more about the community that it's located in, you should definitely watch our video here. We've got a tour that's going to tell you everything you need to know about Somerset at Plantation. It's also going to give you a view of the resort style amenities and a little sneak peek at the golf club.